So we're at the stage where I'm designing the covers. I've had an email come through from Spink and Thackray, um, and what they do is they give you the dimensions that you're looking to do, and front board, that's the front cover, the spine size, and the total wrap, and then you also have an 8mm join, and you have to add about 20mm bleed all round. Incidentally, I keep track of my binds by keeping the postage notification, the certificate, and I also write down there the date that it was delivered there. I check that, and I usually have to give them a call. I have to be honest. Usually I wait a couple of weeks, and if they haven't responded to them receiving it, I have to ring them and say, look, you've got it, what are you doing? And then they say, oh yeah, we've got it, and it starts to progress, which is exactly what I had to do with this one. So yeah, as I said, I've got the covers information. I'm just going to pause a second. Okay, and I'm back, and I design all the covers in Illustrator, and I just use a simple set of things here, and I've got the guides. So the guides here, I don't know how easily you can see this. These are the guides that the dimensions that they've sent me. So the spine size, the front and back cover, and the 8mm gap, and then you've got the 20mm gutter going all the way round, and I've got prop marks on there showing the actual size. And then what I've done is I've added an overall texture for the background. Then I've got the main image, and what's happening with these is this set of 3, it's got to match a previous book called Rebirth, which is actually after John Wagner killed off Strontium Dog, which was just, well, in the 5th Case Files book, which I'm not bothering with, as I said in previous videos. He kind of made it up to people by bringing out I think it was a 7 set of books, which are set kind of after all of this, and Johnny Alpha's back in business. So I've collected those already in a book, and now I'm just doing all the original stuff to match it. So I've got the logos as well, in bold, much bolder black going on, and then I've got the text, and I'm going to call the first one Beginning, the second one is going to be called Trials, and the third one's going to be called Final, and then the fourth one, which I've already got, is called Rebirth. Now what you have to make sure is that all of the images must be in CMYK. The document setup must be in CMYK, and then when you save the PDF, make sure it's the PDF-X format, and everything will work out just fine. So I'm just going to close that, and then so this is the second cover, which is just going now. It's literally just sending now to Spink and Thackray. So that's the second one designed, and then there's a third one, and then I guess what will happen next is we'll see them finished. Now, just to give you an idea how long that's taken, this was delivered to Spink and Thackray on the 13th of June. It's now the 12th of July, and it's today that I've had the message saying, can I supply the covers? So that just gives you an idea of what sort of time frame, these things happen. So next time I do this, we'll actually have the books.